to conference in the Belfield division. I want to say to the leaders of the People's National Party that I, Donovan Mitchell, it is my greatest intention to make sure that Central Manchester return to the fold of the People's National Party. We'll do it like Winston Jones did it for 25 years. We'll do it like John Duna did it for many, many years. We'll do it like Peter Bunting. And so help me God, if I get it, them can't get it back because they really can't. So here the comments. Tell your mother. Tell your father. Tell the mother man. Tell the girlfriend. Tell your picnic. Time come. Teachers are suffer. Picnic are suffer. Police are suffer. Boyfriend are suffer. Girlfriend are suffer. Shopkeeper are suffer. Security guard are suffer. But I know that there is no greater party like the People's National Party. They know when we are hungry. They know how to keep us comfortable. They know how to make us feel like somebody. And comrades, I tell you, when the People's National Party win the next election, we can go to bed and sleep like babies because some of us are still hiding under the bed because we don't know what is happening next. So comrades, whether you're from Garlogi, whether you're from Banana Ground, whether you're from Blue Mountain, whether you're from Logan, whether you're from Providence, whether you're from Belfield, whether you're from Content, whether you're not from Porus, or Ginger Hall, or Top Coffee Grove, or Bottom Coffee Grove, we say time come, and because time come, the people's time is here. Comrades, see you on the road together, working together, building the PNP together.